so if you don't know me, I'm Demi Alexabel M. Magbalay. I'm Philippine. Today I'm here to sing you a song. A Million Dreams. Okay, let's start. I close my eyes and I can see the world that's wide and hard for me, that I call my own. Through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if I don't care if they call us crazy. We can live in the world that we desire. So I can't finish this right now. It's only 60 seconds, so coming for part